Hi everyone, welcome to RX Pharma Hub. We are starting today levels of structural organization, cellular, tissue, organ system. The levels of structural organization in the human body represent hierarchical framework, step-by-step framework, reflects the increasing complexity and specialization of biological structures. These levels provide a systematic way to understand how individual components work together to form a functional and integrated organism. The primary levels of structural organization included cellular level, tissue level, almost first two, and every layer. Cellular level, at the most basic level, the human body is composed of cells, which are the smallest living unit. Smallest living unit is the cellular level. Cells are the building blocks of tissue and organ. Each cell carries out specific function necessary for the overall functioning for the organism. Cellular are the basic level of cell. Cell make a tissue. Tissue make a organ make a system make a body. These are the step-by-step framework for the body. Cells with similar structure and function group together from the tissue. There are four principal types of tissue in the human body: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. This tissue provide a function and support organ system. Tissue combined make the organs. Organs are formed when the typical tissue combined to carry out a particular function. The stomach is the organ composed of epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue for the nervous tissue for signaling. Epithelial tissue for lining the stomach, connective for supporting structure, and muscle tissue for contraction, and the nervous tissue for signaling. Organs represent the higher order structure and specialized role within the body. System level. Organs, after the organs make systems. Organs with the related functions join together form organ system. Organ system work collaboratively, perform complex physiological function necessary for the survival and well-being organism. Example of organ system include digestive system, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, nervous system. Organs make system. Organism level. The highest level of the structural organization is organism level, and the lowest level is cell, representing the entire living organism level of the organ system and function. Together they maintain the life and healthy individual. The human body is remarkable example of organism with intricate system working harmoniously to sustain life. Means body build. Understanding these levels structural organization fundamental components of professional analytical biological phenomena. Molecular level, cellular level, 2 organism level, cellular biology. Structure and function of the cell division and the types of the cell division in detail. This is called cellular biology. Cellular biology, structure and function of cell. We are starting from cell. Structures of cells. Cells are the basic structural and functional units for living organisms. The diversity of life reflected in the variety of cell types, but all cells share common structure and function. Typical structure of eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cells. Cell membranes, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell membrane, outer side of the layer, it is called the cell membrane. Substance, outer side of the cell. Cytoplasm, in front of the cell, gel-like substance, it is called the cytoplasm in simple language. It contains cytosol, which is a fluid that suspends organs. Nucleus, the central control center of the cell, contains the genetic material DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and direct cellular activities. Endoplasmic, ESR, Golgi, mitochondria, ribosome, cytoskeleton, and lysosome. Mitochondria is the energy house of the cell, producing ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the cell's primary energy currency. Ribosomes, cellular structure involved in the protein synthesis. This is called ribosome. Cytoskeleton, network of protein filaments, microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules that provide structural support and facility for the cell to movements. Lysosomes, membrane-bound organelles containing enzymes break down cellular waste foreign substance. This is called lysosomes. And the last, centrioles in animal cells. This is cells in animal cells only. Structure involved in the organizing the spindle fibers during cell division. Function of the cell. Cell has a various functions. Specific role depend on their types and location within the organism. Common cellular functions include the metabolism, growth and development, reproduction, metabolism. Cells carry out metabolic process including energy production, nutrient utilization and waste elimination. Growth and development. Cells contribute to growth and development of organism, dividing the differentiating into specialized cell types, and the reproduction. Cell reproduce through cell division, ensuring the continuity of the reproduction system and the life. Response of the stimuli. Cell respond to the external and internal stimuli, adapting to change their environment. Homeostasis is the process. Cell works to maintain the stable internal environment, regulating factors such as the temperature, pH, and ion concentration. And communication. Communication with the other cells. Cell communicate with each other's chemical signal, coordination, cooperation within the organism. This is the function and structure of the cell.